हाँ जी, राज गौरव बत्रा।
Sir, good morning, sir. How are you, sir? Good morning, everyone.
मॉर्निंग तो बोल दो यार, वेलकम एंड गुड मॉर्निंग बोल दो। राज गौरव, राज
मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग मिस्टर बत्रा।
मॉर्निंग मिश्रा जी।
राम बत्रा जी।
Very
गुड मॉर्निंग जी, गुड मॉर्निंग।
Morning, a lot of familiar faces जिन्होंने मेरे साथ BMP course किया था. So I see Sohail here and Amit ji also, Amit Jain ji, and I see who else? A lot of familiar faces who've done the course with me. So like Bhavnish, I also did BMP with Bhavnish, and I finished the course. और उसके बाद back to back we finished the course in I think February or March, and April में हमने ASP चालू कर दिया. So I also called up sir and said, sir करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, and sir said कर लो, if you have problem then I'm there to help you out. Said okay. So four of us joined from the organization. So it was myself, my father, my brother, and one of my marketing director also joined the course. So for getting my marketing director to join the course, I had to actually convince sir, sir, can I get him to join? He's a very key member of my team, and I would like him to join. So sir finally agreed, and he was also on board. So four of us did the course.
मना कर देता था कि आप स्टाफ मेंबर को नहीं ला सकते, बट अब मैंने जो रिजल्ट्स देखे हैं, मैंने ये देखा है कि स्टाफ मेंबर को जब जब लेकर आते हो तो रिजल्ट्स बेटर हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज स्टाफ मेंबर अलाइन हो जाता है और आधा काम मालिक के सर से वो हटा लेता है, और जो सी वाले और एस वाले काम होते हैं वो सारा वो कर लेता है, क्योंकि मालिक के पास टाइम नहीं होता सीएस वाले काम करने का। सिस्टम बना रहे हो, मार्केटिंग कोलैटरल बना रहे हो, ये बना रहे हो, पिच बना रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो। सो मालिक की जगह वो बंदा बना के रेडी कर देता है, तो मालिक की स्पीड डबल हो जाती है, क्योंकि दिमाग मालिक का होता है, काम वो कर रहा होता है। यस, सॉरी, कैरी ऑन।
So then,
what's your turnover as a group?
Sir, we are into the business of electronic component distribution. We have offices in various countries. We have pan-India offices, and outside of India, we work out of Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia. We have our own offices in these countries, and we are in the business of electronic component distribution. We are the largest electronic component distributor in India, and in Southeast Asia, we are probably in top 10. So there is.
Would you like to share your revenue, group revenue?
Not at this. I request you, sir, please.
Next.
But we are. Our company vision is in the next 9 years to be $1 billion company. In the next 9 years, we have benchmarks in place and have offices. Plan to have offices in 23 countries altogether. So that is the plan for the company. And
how was ASP for you? What happened?
So let me give you the reason why I joined ASP. Let me start with that. I'll be very quick. So before I started, ASP, I was a hardcore sales guy. So I used to be totally focused on sales. Everything was sales, turnover, and not looking, and I would not look at the bottom line. So after BMP, that changed. That mindset changed. And then so basically why I joined ASP also was after BMP, I realized that the sales was missing. The sales required a deeper dive. So for that deeper dive, I did the ASP, and we had that chat with you. Then like I said, the four of us did the course, and which helped us in aligning. So
Hindi.
And results, biggest आपको result बताऊं, my father, he's the founder of the company.
एक सेकंड, आपने ज्वाइन क्यों किया? आप बता रहे थे। और
सर देखिए, after BNP system सारे बन गए थे, and then it was just getting system. At the end of the day, business runs on sales. तो अगर sales नहीं होंगी तो system से कोई मतलब नहीं. Your sales have to grow up incrementally for the business to grow. अगर sales नहीं है तो systems are all useless. So from a systems point of view, we have been to 2 or 3 ERPs. We have spent a lot of money on ERPs, and now finally we are moving to SAP. We tried Microsoft. You name the big brand, we tried it. But now after this course, the result is now I actually know what output I want from my ERP and CRM. So now the new one, which is going to be rolled out very soon, which is like I said, is SAP. And SAP, now the result is, the results which we will get will be totally based on what we want. And I'll share with you some results which I got from ASP. So ASP मैंने क्या करा? I implemented it with one of my teams. So in that particular team, I've got almost like a 46% increase in sales. And the other results which I've got here is I've got a lot of confidence in sales. And even though when I was a hardcore sales guy, and पहले वो डर रहता था about blackmailing कि ये sales का बंदा छोड़ जाएगा, इतने का revenue साथ ले जाएगा. So you were always on the back foot. So that is changed, and that dependency is gone. Then also the other thing is the biggest is the change in mindset. पहले लगता था यार 2-3x sales नहीं हो सकती. Now with the keys you have given, or how what you say, like with the keys that you have given, you can totally crank it up to 2 or 3x is a no-brainer. मतलब 2-3x is no issue. 2-3x increasing, it's just up to you. Once the systems are in place, then you can scale it up to whatever level you want. That is my take on this. And you know, my other take on this is, see, BNP was a journey. If you don't do the sales course, you can't finish the journey. So the sales has to be an integral part of this. अगर आप sales नहीं करेंगे, so you can't finish the whole journey. So that is my take on this. And I would strongly urge you guys to do the course, because without this, the BNP is complete. मेरे यहाँ पहले क्या होता था कि हम सारे टाइम सिस्टम में लगे रहते थे कि ऑटो पायलट करना है, और एवरी डे आई हैव टू सिट विद माय EA DME और ढूंढते थे क्या गलती है सिस्टम्स में, हाउ टू फिक्स इट. नाउ लाइक भवनीश वाज शेयरिंग दैट they bring it up to me, सर ये गलती आ रही है. I would say, okay, अपने आप ठीक कर लो या ऐसे ठीक कर लो. I am not involved in systems. The focus is on sales. And also, like what Bhavneesh said, the 848. The 848 is actually a game changer. You know, you have everything in front of you, and you know what to crank up to increase the sales. So the 848 is actually a great game changer. I think this is all from my side. Rahul sir, are you there?
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing that. So in सबके प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गए हैं. They've all finished their program. इनकी implementation पूरी खत्म नहीं हुई होगी, but programs सबके खत्म हो गए हैं.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you. My implementation is not complete because of I want to get perfection in my systems. अगर वो नहीं करूँगा तो I mean I'm already through. And the other reason I've also slowed down. The other reason is because systems will crash. So that's why once my ERP is in place, then I will totally go on with the implementation, because Google Sheets can't take such kind of load.
Okay, so आपका business का actually spread बहुत ज़्यादा है, so that's why that is happening global, already in 19 countries, so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So that's a different story. But nonetheless, अब आपको confidence पूरा आ गया कि sales पूरी crack कर लोगे कि अब उसमें कुछ रह गया?
Sir, totally confident. Sales is cracked now. मतलब the full circle is complete. Sales is cracked. Now it's basically just have to hit the accelerator. So just then, the day I want to increase it, just hit the accelerator and it will go up. That's all. And the other important thing which I didn't share was strategy. You know, the sales strategy is very clear. पहले हम लोग बैठ के अपनी sales strategy बनाते थे. Now strategy has been simplified to the extent that, you know, it's very simple. It's very clear which direction we want to go.
Very nice.
Big take out of this was 848 and strategy and clear thinking.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for coming and joining us.